Press to recline. Pull like luggage. Allow me to show you how stable this wheelchair is. I need you to sit down and lean backwards hard. Okay. All the way down, behind. See, it's very stable. Even if I try to push down, it will not go down. You see, I push my whole body weight. Okay, it will not topple. It's extremely stable. And okay, thank you so much. His weight is 82. His height is 182. So it's I hope these demonstrations can convince you. Okay, you can come and try it out. All right. Okay, how do you keep this wheelchair? Press the button to flip up both armrests. All right. Kick down the level and flip outwards. Make sure the two front wheel is facing the front and pull up the lever. It's ready to be used and it's good to go. Pull like luggage. Flip down the footrest. Open the wheelchair and it's ready to be used. Recliner. Press the back lever here. You can recline all the way down. It's very safe and stable. Okay, press the armrest flip up functions. The tabletop will not be blocking in any event if you are having a meal. Okay, adjustable length safety belt. Comfortable. Headrest is adjustable, okay, to the height that you desire. Very comfortable. It will not fall backwards. It's extremely stable. The way we customize this wheelchair, you do not need to worry that the user will be toppled over. Silky smooth safety belt is important because it prevents abrasions, especially for diabetes users. This is a washable and removable cushions. It comes with an anti-shocks in front for these two wheels. And this wheelchair, this is a curvy seat. So when the user sits on it, okay, it will form a curved shape. Okay, it will wrap the backside of the user comfortably. I invested a lot on the material of this wheelchair, especially on the cushions. So rest assured that this cushion is going to last you for a very long time. It will not crack like those kind of normal dropshipping wheelchairs fabric. After you use for like 1 or 2 years, it's going to be much lasting. And as you can see from this metal bar here, the traditional type of wheelchair, right, is a one whole straight line. So when the user sit on it, they always feel that the metal is always blocking them. Okay, it's very uncomfortable. So for this wheelchair, we have do a contour, a curve over here to ensure that when the user sit on it, okay, there is a curvy part here to allow the user to feel more comfortable. Okay, this is a recliner. This hydraulic bar here, right, okay, it's not those kind of lousy quality type of hydraulic bar. Okay, as you can see, there are spring return over here. Okay, we have do a lot of cyclic tests to ensure this is going to last. This wheelchair is super duper smooth. As you can see from here, we are using the most premium ball bearings for the front and back wheels. Okay, we are using the same type of ball bearings that you use for rollerblade. Okay, as you know, rollerblade, when it jumps from very high ground and land, is built to withstand impact. We are using the same type of ball bearings for these wheelchairs. It's a concealed ball bearing. Okay, the crossbar, okay, of this wheelchair, we have increased the length of the crossbar, okay, because after multiple foldings, definitely the nuts of the wheelchair will come out easily, okay, but not for ours. We increase the length and we're using lock nuts for all the screws. Our wheelchairs, okay, on the free up leg rest over here, we are protecting the nuts with protection cap, okay. This is to prevent the legs of the user from getting cut. Okay, so this is very safe even for diabetes user. There is no sharp edges that will cause any injury to the user. How do you adjust the neck rest? Very simple. Just loosen the screw here. Okay, you can adjust it up and down. Reach the height that you need, just tighten it. So for a very tall user, you can adjust it to the highest for more comfort, which can easily lower it down. Okay. The headrest is also washable. Comes with a zip over here. You can wash it for hygiene. This wheelchair also comes with a carrier bag. Cleaning. This wheelchair is considered lightweight for a travel wheelchair and full aluminium, corrosion free, and can fit into any car booth. This is a compact travel wheelchair. Okay, consider lightweight for its size, and also full aluminium, corrosion free, can put into any vehicle.